Hello, friends, and welcome back to Coffee with Crissy. Ever feel like you're the only one doing the emotional heavy lifting in your friendships? Like your friend's life is a reality show and you're just a supporting character who never gets their own storyline. Let's spill the tea on selfish friends because, hey, we've all been there. Picture this. I recently met up with a friend, someone who I genuinely dig, but the whole time it was her show. It was me, until we were literally forced to pay attention to something else in class. Then bam, back to planet her. I was left wondering, am I supposed to learn how to elbow my way into the convo, or is this a sign to upgrade my friend circle? There's this one-way street of friendship. Let me explain what it feels like. You're always lending an ear, offering advice, being the cheerleader, but when you need something, crickets. The convo flow. It's like they have a verbal microphone and yours is permanently muted. Your energy levels. You leave hangouts feeling more drained than after a week of finals. So what do? You gotta level up. Find your voice. It's time to be assertive. Could this be your cue to speak up? Why don't you try this? You gently jump in. Say something like, hey, that's interesting, and something kind of similar is happening with me. Also, this is a good time to set boundaries. Maybe suggest, hey, I'd love to properly catch up about what's going on with me too. Can we make some time for that? Time for a friendship check-in? So, spotting the pattern. If all your friendships feel this one-sided, it might be time to think about the energy you're receiving. Also, reciprocity matters. Real connections involve mutual support and feeling heard. Here's the real talk. It's likely a mix of learning to advocate for yourself and being mindful of the dynamics of your friendship. You deserve connections where you feel valued and supported. So, what are the takeaways? First, communicate if you feel it's helpful. A direct, kind conversation can sometimes shift things. Second, reflect on your choices. What draws you to these kinds of dynamics? And third, prioritize mutual respect. Your time and energy are valuable. Ultimately, aim for friendships that are a two-way street. It's about finding that balance where you can be a supportive friend and feel supported in return. What are your experiences with one-sided friendships? Share your thoughts in the comments and let's learn from each other. Sending you all the good vibes and strength to build fulfilling connections. Wishing you all a great long weekend and thank you for listening to Coffee with Crissy.